Alright, I'm here in a little town called Yamanomachi, which is in the Roko Mountains. It's about 20 minutes north of Kobe. So what happened was, I've had a tough day. I mean, I have 2 jobs, and on the weekends I work at hotels, but sometimes that work overflows into the weekdays. So I was working at a hotel this morning, and then this afternoon I came to my second job here, and I made a mistake about the working time, and anyways I ended up coming to work 3 hours early, and it takes me half an hour to get here. So it's like it'd be too much of a hassle to go back home. So I thought I'd show you. It's kind of a nice, I don't know, it's a cute little town, I guess. It's built right into the mountains here. This is Yamanomachi station. If you have to use public transportation to come and go here, it's kind of a hassle because this is it only has one train line coming into this little town. It's called the Shintetsu line, and it's expensive. Like, to go to Kobe, it costs like more than $4 one way. Man, I hate the way people look at me sometimes. Like the way that guy looked at me was just like I'm a alien or something. I hate that when people look at me like that. But yeah, you can see people coming, getting off the train. A lot of students. Now I'm looking the other direction.